Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select who can see the post that you are tagged in on your own profile. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the account settings section, tap on it. Scroll down to the privacy section and click on profile and tagging. Then go to the tagging section and click on who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile. You have three options here, either your friends of friends, your friends on Facebook, or only me. So select the one that you prefer and click on it. And as you can see, this function has been updated almost immediately. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.